Good evening and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Region 2 of the CB Foods Pan 2017 Championships was in full swing on the weekend despite the wet weather.
It's so much more than I expected. With the rain, I thought it would have deterred people from coming out, but the people of Portland, they didn't care. They came out, they supported us. The competitors, they braved the weather themselves. The conditions weren't perfect, but nonetheless, they stuck to the task. And they had a great time.
These pan men and women are entrepreneurs in their own right, doing their own little business, and we are supporters of that. After all, Red Stripe was started by two entrepreneurs themselves, Denos and Geddes. So this is something that we believe in, and this is just a part of how we give back by supporting a festival of this nature.
Agent Sasko, Jamil and Jermaine Edwards led the entertainment package, which attracted thousands of patrons at the Folly Oval venue.
And somebody where you can do it too. If I'm my friend, they need to fail them like oh Jesus, not fishing. Also, man, give it everything. What I'm saying, tell them we not say no different them. Lift Jesus higher. Ah, this is higher. From this way to eternity. He said the fire said, be lifted from this earth upward call.
Region 2 saw 35 competitors vying for pan chicken supremacy and the coveted title of Grand Champion. When the smoke cleared, female pan chicken vendors were the big winners this year. Jamie Martin, Junie Raffington, Janice Scarlett, Carol Maxwell, Patrice Balliston, Jason Franklin and Lance Fairweather walked away with $40,000 cash, courtesy of CB Foods, along with gift baskets from pan partners.
It's a good competition. Youths and youths can enter and, show no talent. CB is doing a great flavor for us,
From last week I've been working on it, trying it, grill some chicken, taste it and see how it is. And I finally get it.
28 competitors will face off at the finals of Pan 2017 on October 29 in Halfway Tree. Marlon James's book, A Brief History of 7 Killings, is to hit television screens. Leading American film company Amazon Studios will produce the television show based on the book, with a production team led by Melina Matsoukas as director and executive producer. Matsoukas is known internationally for many productions, including directing Rihanna's You the One, We Found Love and Rude Boy. Other prominent executive producers named on this project include Malcolm Spellman, who is known for his affiliation with the hit TV series Empire, and Jill Soloway, the driving force behind a number of Amazon projects. The Brief History of 7 Killings is inspired by the December 1976 assassination attempt on reggae icon Bob Marley. An unexpected collab. Dancehall artists Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel have seemingly put their differences aside, which has yielded a major collaboration from the two. The DJs sent social media into a frenzy recently, announcing that fans could expect a Killer Kartel collab later this week. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you so much for watching.